That was a nice launch. All right, what's up guys? Arrma from Great Lakes RC. Got the Italian XL out and the Fireteam. It's all right, bud. Fireteam, I did some light upgrades, EXB chassis braces and the EXB Arrma plate. And that's it, we're gonna give it a rip on the ramps. I'm on 6S. Campbell, walk over here. I'm on 6S with Fireteam. Haven't hit the ramps with this yet, so this will be the first time. And I went up from a 12 tooth to a 15 because the stock 12 tooth just disintegrated. Pretty disappointed in that, actually. All right, yeah, we should go on the outside, okay? All right, I'm gonna try to hit this jump here. Nice. Doesn't seem that fast today. Oh, that didn't go well. Oh, that's why it's not very fast, because I'm not on 100%. Robert, you were driving this one last, I guess. Yeah, that's a little bit better. Thought something wasn't right. Nice. So yeah, I'm trying to keep the upgrades to a minimum on this one. I had the Arrma plate. Brake, nice! And I just bought the 2 chassis braces on eBay because they're, oh, that was bad because they were cheap.
That did not go well.
Robert Weicker.
Oh wow!
Nice! Hey, all right. So I redid the big ramp, which I used all the materials from my other ramp, so I didn't spend any money on it. Campbell, yeah, I'll go over there. I'll come up there in a second. I want to try this real quick. Oh yeah. The mega launch ramp. Oh, you missed it. Oh! Wow, that was almost bad. You're gonna hit the house, Robert. I don't like how it's coming off there. There we go. That was cool. Oh, that was a hard nose lander. Is there something wrong with your car, or are you just not hitting full throttle?
I'm just not hitting full throttle.
All right, just making sure. That was perfect. Something just broke. Something just broke bad. What happened here? Oh, it popped out. Okay, so.
What's the matter, Daddy?
Yeah, this popped out right here. And I wonder if it's because, so I added some washers to fix the camber. I wonder if I have to take a washer away. All right, I can fix this. All right, guys, 3rd time to fix this. And the last 2 times was the same knuckle. And the bearing, that inner bearing, is getting cocked. And then the bearing gets blown out. So I replaced the knuckle just because I figure there's something wrong with that knuckle. It's not doing it on the other side. Man, Man, this car rips. I love how it drives. So it's way later in the day. I got all my ramps put away, but I got the big ramp in the back. So I figure I'll hit the big ramp, and if it takes it, then I know I fixed it. If not, I might have to get aluminum knuckles. It's interesting. It hasn't happened on my XL, but it's happening on the Fireteam. .15 tooth's pretty nice. I don't think I need any more speed. Taking it so far. And I left this thing stock diffs, 200, I think it's 100 in the front and the rear. Not sure. Maybe it's only 10K, I don't know. But I love it. Love the way it drives. I think it did it again. Yep. Yep. Same side. It's out of the cup. Now. Okay, this time it's the drive cup. So, I guess I need some M2C drive cups. All right, I'm gonna check one more thing out. Be back. What I'm trying now is changing from 2 washers back to stock, which is 1 washer, but it tows this in more than I like. So we'll see. I think I'm getting closer, narrowing this problem down. Oh, hey, bud, I didn't even see you. Oof, that was a hard hit. Yeah, you can see the toe. It's towed in more. Yeehaw! Wow! That was a nice launch. Oh, it turned off. And on that note, I'll end it. Well, I finally got through a bash. Had a few issues with hubs and knuckles and stuff like that. So I think the big thing is I'm gonna have to leave the 1 shim and just deal with the toe in, call it a day. Because it seems to be holding the new knuckle definitely was the bearing problem. And then the popping out, it's because it's all chewed up. But just this side, it wants to come out. So that's what I'm gonna do. Looks like our guys, everybody got their guns. Everybody got their guns. All right, Fireteam out.